Nestled within the serene coconut plantations of northern Kerala, Screen, the Lantern House by Zero Studio is a poetic blend of architecture and nature. Here, the home is more than just a structure, it's a respectful response to its lush surroundings. The architects approached the project with deep sensitivity, ensuring that every design choice harmonizes with the tranquility of the land rather than disrupting it. The result is a home that feels like it's breathing with its environment, calm, filtered, and alive. The concept behind the house centers around the idea of a screen. The exterior facade acts as a delicate filter between the built and unbuilt world, a soft boundary that protects the home while inviting filtered light, breeze, and shadows to dance inside. During the day, the landscape around the inner periphery helps diffuse the harsh tropical light, while at night, the house glows gently from within, like a lantern illuminating the quiet Kerala landscape. Step inside, and the minimalism of the facade gives way to a surprisingly open and connected interior. The central living area flows effortlessly around an elongated water body, with minimal walls ensuring constant visual access to the greenery outside. Large openings, subtle transitions, and earthy tones make the interiors feel both expansive and grounded. Despite its openness, the house maintains a strong sense of privacy, thanks to the clever layering of screens, plants, and filtered views. Designed for a family living abroad, the house carries a deep sense of belonging and nostalgia. Every corner is crafted for intimate experiences: the floating deck near the living area that reaches into the garden, a cozy reading nook along the staircase landing, a private balcony overlooking the coconut groves, and a tranquil prayer room that welcomes soft daylight through a perforated wall. These spaces allow the family to reconnect with their roots and savor the warmth of their heritage each time they return home. Ultimately, Screen, the Lantern House stands as a modern interpretation of Kerala's architectural soul. It balances openness with privacy, simplicity with sophistication, and modern life with ancestral memory. By filtering light, air, and emotion, this house doesn't just shelter its inhabitants, it celebrates their story of homecoming, framed beautifully within the glow of a lantern.